Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here the question is about conversion. You are starting from dicarboxylic acid. You are converting into acid chloride and ester. You should find number of steps and reagents involved in that. There are many ways to achieve the product. Here I shown the simpler one. Let us redraw the starting material with carbonyl. So carbonyl and OH is there. If you heating it up, it will form anhydride. That is removal of water leads to anhydride. Then you add methanol. Methanol leads to nucleophilic addition, which open the ring. Ring is very straightful because of 5-member ring. So it also assists the reaction. So first you have ester and acid. So acid can be functionalized easily. If you use any chlorinating agent, you convert it into Cl. So acid become acid chloride there. So here you do basically conversion with the help of reagent. You achieved selectivity through cyclization. The concept you have to learn here is you have to master the reagents to master the organic conversion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.